What's up guys, it's Vid, and today we're going to be making G Fuel into gelatin. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you the process that we're actually going to be going through to get the G Fuel gelatin going. We're using Nox gelatin mix, which is going to be the base for every single one of the flavors that we're going to be trying throughout this series. We have 19 flavors out of the very large collection of what G Fuel actually has. So we're going to be trying all 19 of these throughout the entire series. So make sure, hit that notification button, hit that sub button if you are new, and smack that like button for more G Fuel content. So each one of the containers we're using are these cool little plastic containers. There's 2 fluid ounces in each one of these. We're going to be filling them probably about to 1 to 1.5 ounces in each one. That's what we've measured out, and that's what we're going to be having in each one of the Jello shots. Okay guys, so the first big step is that we're going to be taking every single one of these gelatin packets, we're going to be pouring them into a container, and we're going to be putting them on the stove so that we can get this boiling so we can actually start making some Jello. So we got some urine samples here.
You just feeding this.
Wow, we got, terrible, but we got, all right, I'm gonna show them. Again, every single one of these have been thoroughly mixed up, promise you. This one has a lot of sediment on this. Like a whole lot of sediment. But it is clear looking. It smells like lemon. Got a lemon smell. You smell anything?
No.
Yeah, a little bit of a lemon smell. But you know what? If it's better than some of the other flavors we've had, I'll be pretty happy. If you haven't checked out any of our other videos, we've actually made a lot of Jello G Fuel videos. You should definitely check them out. Some of them are really good, and some of these are really, really bad, like gagging bad, like not wanting to continue eating or looking at or doing anything with them bad. Reach to the stars, pretty clear from what you.
You like nothing.
Alright. Right away, I get a little bitterness from the lemon. By the way, fun fact, this is discontinued. If you're watching this video and you're looking to get lemonade, G Fuel. Sorry, partner. You're out of luck. Go on eBay. They vaulted this flavor, which I don't know why, because if you add this into a bottle of water, it tastes like, all right, maybe you haven't had this experience, but this was a big part of my childhood, when you're like,
I do not like that flavor.
when you're like, you really didn't like it? I would give it like a 5 out of 10. There's not a lot of flavor in it, but it's definitely lemon. Again, this is an older flavor. All the older flavors seem to be a little strange. They're either really good or really bad. There's like no in the middle. But when I was a young kid, I'd go and I'd make a lemonade stand, and my mom would make this really good lemonade. And it was amazing and sugary, and that's what this tastes like if you put it in a water bottle that's been ice cold. It tastes like that. I'm really upset that they got rid of this. One of my favorite flavors, personally. I would only give this a 5 out of 10. Little tanginess. You ever had Tang? If maybe you've had Tang before, Tang kind of tastes like this. Got a Tang flavor to it.
A what flavor?
Tang. Tang. It's Tang. But yeah, so this is an okay flavor. I mean, it's all right. Mediocre. Nick doesn't seem to like it. What do you think, Nick?
No.
No?
I'll give it 1 to 10. 2.
Wow.
2.
Is it as bad as like
other flavors? Yeah.
Like underneath other flavors? Like this is you're saying this is the worst flavor you've tried?
Second worst.
Wow. All right. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, smack that like button, hit that sub button if you are new, turn on post notifications, and check out the videos at the end of this video so you can see other G Fuel related content, gaming content, vlogging content, music content, whatever floats your boat. We do everything here on my channel, and I'd love to message you in the comment section, talk to you, join Discord, do whatever. There's links down below. I'm gonna say goodbye this time because I feel like saying goodbye. I almost just tripped again. Why do I keep tripping on this? It's
Yeah?
slippery. Yeah. I'm gonna say goodbye. See you guys later. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.